Hey everyone, it's Amy, and today I'm going to be showing you how I created these stars and stripes nails design perfect for the 4th of July. So I have my nails prepped, filled, and ready to go, and yes, there is still some glitter left on, but that is a-okay because these colors are going to cover just fine. The first color we're going to start out with is Light Elegance's Italian Ice, which is this beautiful silver shade with just a hint of holographic glitters. I'm going to go ahead and paint this on my pinky. The next shade we're going to take is Light Elegance's Blue Skies Ahead. This is becoming one of my all-time favorites from Ellie. It is a beautiful sky blue shade. I'm going to use this on my ring finger. Next, we're going to take Madam Glam's Perfect White. We're going to paint this on the middle finger. And finally, we're going to take Light Elegance's Charming Cherry, which is a beautiful, bright red corally shade. We're going to use this on my pointer finger. And I go ahead and do 2 coats of all of these shades. And on the thumb, I do the same design as on the middle finger. So I'm going to do a TikTok on that, so that's why it is not on this video, but make sure you're subscribed on TikTok to see that video. And the inspiration for this nail design comes from Creative Nail Designs on Instagram. I will leave links to her Instagram down below. She is the original one I had seen posted, I think last year, but this year I've seen a lot of people doing this lighter scheme for the 4th of July versus like that navy blue and traditional red shade. I definitely wasn't feeling the darker colors this year for whatever reason, so these lighter colors were really calling to me. Now going into our design, we're going to take Madam Glam's white gel paint, and for my brush I'll be using the Young Nails micro detailing brush, and on my ring finger I did cleanse the nails before I'm doing any of the art, but I'm going to go ahead and draw white stars on my ring finger, and I'm just going to do scattered, make it look like the whole design is kind of continuing off the nail. And then after I have the stars done, I decided to take Italian Ice and just add a couple little polka dots in between the stars to incorporate that silver into the rest of the design as well. Moving on to my middle finger, we are going to switch over to the Robin Moses wand brush. I know I've mentioned this before, but I think it's been a while. I absolutely love the Robin Moses brushes. Go check out her channel. She doesn't create videos anymore, unfortunately, but she has a lot of good tips and tricks, and her designs are amazing. Her brushes are amazing. She still has the brushes for sale, so definitely go check them out. But we're going to be doing stripes on the white nail. So I'm going to start out with Charming Cherry. We're going to do 2 stripes. I do flash cure the stripes in between each color, so that way they don't smear into each other. Then we're going to take Blue Skies Ahead. We're going to put some of the stripes next to each other and space others out to kind of fill in the whole design. And I do go in with that silver as well. And now it's time for top coat. I will be using my Light Elegance's Super Shiny. here's how my nails came out. I really like them. I like the lighter look of them for whatever reason. Again, I wasn't feeling like the dark, harsher colors. I still wanted something more bright and fun for summer, but of course I needed to have some 4th of July nails. I will leave links below to other 4th of July nails that I've done in the past. I do have one other one that has a little bit of lighter colors, but they're not quite these light of a color. And then of course I got a few of the traditional like colored designs as well. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy my holiday themed nails, and make sure you're subscribed for more summer tutorials coming out very soon. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.